look at the stress points around the manifold here. It's higher than anticipated.
Yep. We might need to reinforce that alloy or adjust the cooling lines.
Yep. The laser sintering needs to focus on this section of the suspension arm first.
That should optimize the cooling phase and prevent warping.
And with that, the heart of the motorcycle begins its journey. From the birthplace of power in Wisconsin, it travels to its final destination.
This is the moment it all comes alive. That first thunderous roar. More than just sound, it's the signal.
Before the color comes the canvas. In this pristine, controlled environment, the stage is set for artistry.
This is where a motorcycle becomes a statement. Applied with robotic perfection, this isn't just paint. It's liquid identity.
A temporary stencil, placed with absolute accuracy. This is the hidden step that defines the final, dramatic graphic.
After all the robots, the final signature is applied by a human hand. This single, perfect line.
Layer upon layer of pure clarity. This is the final shield, transforming color into liquid depth and paint into a perfect mirror.
And now, the final transformation into the heat, where the finish finds its permanent strength and legendary depth.
Reborn. What emerges is no longer just paint. It's an heirloom quality finish.
The final test. Under this light, there is no hiding. Only perfection will do.
A masterpiece, standing alone. This is the first thing the world will see, and the last thing they'll forget. This is the moment it becomes a motorcycle. The fusion of raw power with iconic form. The nervous system. Dozens of connections, each one a promise of communication, control, and life. The connection to the road. World-class suspension, mounted with precision for absolute control. And with this final signature piece, the profile is complete, unmistakable, iconic, Harley Davidson.
Where there is immense power, there must be equal control. World-class braking, installed with intent.
The final component of the engine's voice. Lightweight titanium, for a note that's as premium as the power it channels.
The lifeblood,
With the tank secured, the machine is now just moments from its first true breath.
The final station, where the last pieces come together and a collection of parts becomes a complete motorcycle. The final mark. More than a badge, it's a promise of exclusivity. It means custom vehicle operations.
Life. With the turn of a key, the mind awakens, the eyes open, and the machine is ready. One final, meticulous check. Every point inspected, every system verified. Only then does it earn the nod.
Here, promises become numbers. Power is measured, validated, and unleashed. This is where legend meets data.
Behold, the culmination of 1,000 processes, a billion-dollar legacy, and a single-minded passion.
Its journey in our hands ends here. Carefully cocooned, it awaits its final destination, yours.
Because this was never the end goal.
This is
The open road, true freedom. This is why we build it.
This is where it all comes together. This is the feeling. This is freedom.